Let's debunk the myth that a VPN is every gamer's go-to, yet from experience, a Warzone VPN is super beneficial to reduce lag and find servers without tons of players. Welcome to the channel, I'm Gavin and I'll run through the best VPN for Warzone recommendations. I'll also show you how to reduce your lag and find low KD lobbies. First, if you like this kind of content, sub, like, support, you know the deal, let's go. Starting with lag, a gamer's true nemesis. In some instances, I've experienced terrible lag while gaming, yet my PC specs are fine, so I dug deeper. One cause could be ISP throttling, and another is overcrowded servers. So to find out why my Warzone lagging is happening and to learn how to fix this on my PC, I went and tested NordVPN for Warzone. Do you know what's funny? My experience actually improved. I know I've been a skeptic myself about using a VPN alongside gaming, but it truly made a difference. But how did I get to this point? Well, the NordVPN Warzone setup was super easy. Just install the VPN app. Next, you'll need to Google COD game servers that are the closest to you. Then connect to a NordVPN server as close to the game server as possible. Something really important here is your tunneling protocol. If you want the lowest ping and a fast experience, check you're using their most modern protocol, Nordlynx. Though I use NordVPN as an example and have had the best VPN Warzone experience with them. Yet there are other options. To name a couple, Surfshark or IPVanish are good alternatives. They have tons of servers and excellent speeds too. Whatever you choose, consider your online habits and whatever price suits you. But speaking of price, I have added exclusive deals down in the description to make it more affordable for you. Now that the game is no longer lagging, let's rank this Warzone VPN tutorial up a bit and focus on accessing lobbies easily. Yes, if you just want to avoid sweaty players and chill in some Warzone bot lobbies, VPN can help you do exactly that. There's just one rule. You'll have to know the right locations to connect to. The best Warzone VPN locations can be found in one of two ways. The first I tried was by switching to a different time zone. I tended to aim for locations where the time was early, and I'm speaking like 4 to 5 AM early. Another way is to use your Warzone VPN to connect to a place like Singapore or Canada. After research, I read they have low KD servers and tend to have lower player bases. Keep in mind though, the further your server is, the higher the ping will be. So that's can you use a VPN on Warzone and how to use a VPN for Warzone answered. I hope you have a great time gaming. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.